is your first time tuning in, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And if you don't do it right now, there's going to be a button right here that's going to sit right here the entire video and remind you to subscribe. Alright? Okay. Now, today I am going to be giving you how I did this look. Of course, all of the products that I used are going to be at on the end screen at the end of the video. And I might leave a few of them down in the description box. And just to let you all know, I did try the magnetic lashes again. As you can see, I'm getting a little better at putting them on. I mean, they're still not super easy, but I am getting better at putting them on. Secret is, do not put on mascara. Like, you have to put them on before you put on mascara. Just don't even put on mascara. And another thing, make sure you stay to the end of the video because I have a special surprise for all of my followers who make sure they watch to the end of the video. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and jump on in. the orange liquid lip, this one here, in the festival for this look. And after I like put it on and I looked at it and I looked at it with my eyeshadow, it's just too orange. It's like too bright. So I'm going to kind of go back in and like it's going to tone my lips down a bit because they are very, very, very bright. So just going to wipe it off a little bit. Y'all get to see me. Although I do think it's a pretty orange. So let me let y'all see it. I think it's a really pretty color. I just think that it's too much with my eyeshadows. Like I look like, I don't know, a streetwalker almost. So you're gonna take some of this off. This stuff is not coming off. Well, that's a good thing, I guess. I mean, not for me right now, but when I do decide to actually wear this color for the day, at least it doesn't just come off easy. And I just need enough of it to come off so I can cover it. I'm gonna go in with my chestnut lip liner. This color by MAC is called, let me turn this down. It's called Studded Kiss. So it's like a little, kind of like a burgundy. And then again, like I said, I did it with my chestnut lip liner. So I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, so there we go. And I think that that is a much better like contrasting look. Like I still get that color, but it kind of balances with my eyeshadow a lot more. Alright you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is the final look. I really like the festival palette again, and I used 5 out of the 9 colors to achieve this look. So I used 5 out of these 5 out of 9 colors to achieve this look. So thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And I know y'all probably thought I forgot. I didn't forget. You have stuck around to the end of the video, so you know what? I promised you a surprise. I am doing a giveaway. That's right. I am doing a giveaway for one of you lucky followers to win your own Juvia Nubian palette, okay? This comes with 12 colors that are like my go-tos for my everyday looks. So in order to win this giveaway, you have to do 3 things. You have to, 1, share this video on Instagram or Facebook and make sure you tag me in it. You have to, 2, follow me on Instagram and comment on any one of my pictures. You must comment, I want to win your Juvia's palette contest, okay? I want to win your Juvia palette contest, alright? If you do that, I will be sending you your very own Nubian palette, alright? Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to enter this contest, and I will see y'all next week for another Face Beat Friday. Y'all have a great week. Peace.